solicitors, especially at this hour. You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? Hey!
My, now see what you went and done, Eustace. You scared off your guests.
Huh?
And you're leaving a ring on the floor. Here, stand on this coaster.
You can't fool me. Oh, you're not Muriel. 1, 2, 3, I win.
The stupid one. He's stupid, right? There is nothing I can do. The farmer has to remove the curse by finding generosity in his heart. And he can only do that by seeing himself the way he really is. But I feel sorry for you. For a few pieces of silver, I could sell you this mirror. All you have to do is hold it up to the stupid one.
You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me?
Eustace! Where are your marbles? Courage!
No solicitors. What's this? Who's that? Who are you, boy?
It's so hot. My head is burning.
Where's your hat?
I don't have one.
No hat? Oh, no hat. Oh, that's not right. Little boy shouldn't have a hat.
Oh, courage! You did the impossible. You got Eustace to give of himself.
Shoot! My glasses! I can see! Achoo!
You know, Eustace, you should thank Courage for getting rid of that curse.
What you doing with my hat, dog? There ain't no such thing as a curse. Ain't nothing on. Nothing to watch.
Here we go.
Nothing.
I've won the sitar contest. I get to play my sitar on stage at Radio City Music Hall. Yes!
Who cares? There ain't nothing to watch.
Boys, we're going to New York City.
This ain't no place for me. I belong in my chair. Hey!
Watch where you're going, you fool!
Watch where you're going, you fool!
You see, Eustace, you're fitting in already.
Uh,
Now, I wonder where the entrance is.
The show don't go on for hours, but I can get you in real quick, like.
There it is! Now, aren't you glad I won the contest?
Who cares? You won a contest? Then you can come in the special artist entrance.
I ain't gone through no door. I don't know what's on the other side.
I got hot dogs.
Works for me.
How exciting! I love show business.
By the way, name's Bushwick. But call me Schwick. Just Schwick. Don't ever call me Bushwick. Just Schwick.
Where are you from?
Bushwick. You can call that Bushwick, but not me. Me, you call Schwick. Just Schwick. This over here is the rehearsal room.
Such a warm welcome. Homey.
Where's the hot dogs?
So this here's the rehearsal room. You can rehearse. Just rehearse.
This is just fine.
If you're dead. Hey, a TV. You got a remote?
2,000 channels. Go ahead, knock yourself out.
Make that hot dog